Hi friends, my name is Asif and by profession first I will introduce myself a bit because now I'm going to make a series of videos in which you will be able to learn a complete web designing, web development. So let's start from my introduction. My name is Asif and by profession I'm an IT engineer, but from the last 5 years I'm in the field of web designing and web development, digital marketing and social media marketing. This 5 year hand-on experience is all in Dubai, and I work in a lot of companies here in Dubai. So now I decided to start a short videos about how to make a complete website, because it's pretty easy. For example, if you don't know now, for example, if you will be thinking now that web designing or web development is a big work, it's very difficult. But if you see my video completely, one by one, because this is a complete series, I will start from the scratch and I will end at the end and the 100%. After seeing all of my videos, I will promise you that you will create your own website, your own blog. No one will help you and you will be able to make by yourself. This is my promise with you. So today I will start from a short video, because now era, this is now 2018, and now the coming era is totally online. If you see the past years, now all the shopping, trading, business, advertising is all online. So it's very important for you, for your friends, for your families to know about online media, because the future earning will be only from online. So it's very important for you. So I will show you how you can make a beautiful website, a responsive website, for by yourself. It's very easy. So I will start what you will need. For example, if you don't know anything about web development, web designing, so this video is specially for you. If you don't know anything, for example, you will need only the basic knowledge of computer and how to use computer and internet. This is enough for you. Other, I will teach you how to utilize this computer and internet to learn the web development. So my friends, it's pretty easy. So for example, if you see any website online, it contain about three main things. The first thing is domain name. For example, if you search google.com, so www.google.com is called domain name. Okay, you understand me? What is domain name? www.google.com, amazon.com, alibaba.com. These are all domain names. This is the first thing required for your web development, web designing. In the later videos I will teach you how you will choose your domain name, how you will purchase all these things. The second thing is the web hosting. So the question arises in your mind that what is web hosting? So web hosting is actually a server in which all your website data, including picture, including your contents, including your videos, they are located in that specific servers, and that specific servers are 24 hours live. It means that your website is when anywhere in the world, anytime if anyone accesses your website, it will be open. So it means some server contain your website data in the end, and they are live, they are running, so it will show you your website to the world. So it's called web hosting. So I will show you in the later videos how to access web hosting, how to purchase. The third thing is your CMS system. What is mean CMS mean content management system. There is a lot of content management system now in this world, in which some of the famous are WordPress, Magento, PrestaShop, Joomla. Like these are all the CMS system. Now I'm talking about these names, but I think you will be not familiar with these names, but don't worry, in the later video you will all know these names and these. So what I will explain in my whole tutorial and my whole course. uh, the basic thing I will explain you that uh, how to take how to like take start from the scratch if you don't know anything about web designing, web development. I mean that if you don't know anything, I will teach you from the start that how you will start and how you will make a website. The second thing is web designing need web hosting, as I already described to you. It need web hosting, web development, but don't worry, these are paid thing, these are not free. But for the learner, if you want to learn, I will show you how you can work offline. Offline mean you don't need web hosting, web domain now, and you can learn by offline first, then later once you make a website completely, then you can live it with web hosting and domain name. So I will teach you how you will learn by free without purchasing any domain and any hosting, how you will make a website offline. I will teach you completely. The third system, as I told you, the CMS, I will teach you all the CMS system, which CMS system is better for which website. For example, there are a lot of website categories like e-commerce, online shopping, rental websites, hotel website, tours website, air flight website. Some of them are like food delivery. So there's a lot of website in the world which who are using different content management system. So I will teach you which content management system is better for which type of website. So the fourth thing, uh, for example, I'm going to show you how to become a web designer. There is a big difference between web designer and web development. Web development is those person who can code, who can make a website from scratch. So it's very difficult. If for it you have to take a degree, you have to be a good programmer. But I will teach you the designing. There is a lot of pre-made themes available in the internet. If you search, you can find the pre-made themes. Themes mean template, mean there is they made already some website, some template, and you can download this template and you can install by your own server. And then I will teach you how to customize it. For example, if you download any theme, but this theme is not there is no option for your requirement, so you can customize it, you can add more option, you can change everything in that theme. I will show you how to do it. So the sixth major thing, I will show you how to work in HTML, hypertext mailing language, and CSS, cascade styling sheet. These two basic languages is very important for web designing, because all the website, all the looking, colors, everything is made of these two things, HTML and CSS. HTML is the main language in which you write the content, and CSS is the styling, the color, the font style, everything is contained in the CSS. I will show you how to manage these two languages. Then the seventh thing, for example, if you install already pre-made theme, I will show you how to make a little bit coding. I will teach you a little bit coding for you if you want to change the theme by yourself. So these all, and some, for example, if you have some theme and you require some for your company, for your home, there is a lot of plugin and extension in the website. I will show you how to use that extension, that plugin in your website to fulfill your requirement. So guys, please subscribe my channel today. And this is the first video. The second video, I will gonna to start that how to take start from the scratch. So please subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell button, because if you click the bell button, my next video will be once I update the next video, it will be in your notification. So thank you and bye for now.